Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to open a model box on page load. So I'll be doing this using JavaScript. You must have seen in many websites like when you open them there is model box that like pop up for like login or some promotional banner is present there. So I'll be showing you just how to open that model box just for once and I'll be using cookies for that. So let's get started. So I have created this view. You can see there is just one button and on click of this button one model box will open. So I'll be opening this model box when my page first time load. So I'll be changing that. So I'm using Bootstrap for that. So let me show you code. I have given title website model. After that there is one button to toggle the model. After that Bootstrap model is there, example model. And last, some scripts are included for Bootstrap. Firstly, let's write one script tag, and inside script, firstly write document.ready function, and inside that function, I'll be like opening my model box using JavaScript. So write dollar, and inside bracket pass the ID of your model. I have ID example model, then dot model, and and that pass show. So this will open up our model box. So now let's go and check in browser, refresh. So you can see without clicking on button my model box is opening now. So that's what I wanted. But now let's just move to our cookies, how we can use cookie to open up just only one time. So now let's set our cookie document.cookie equals to model. Let's give name model shown and give value, let's say equal to scene. So model shown is name of the cookie and scene is value. So now let's go and refresh. Let me just alert my cookie once. Alert document.cookie. So now let's go and check in incognito window. So enter, and now you can see one alert is there, model shown equals to scene. So our cookie is set and our model box is also opening. So now let me show you in setting. So if I'll refresh setting, you can see there is one localhost cookie, and if I'll open there you can see name model shown, and if I'll show you content, that is seen is there as I have set the value to be seen. So now our cookie is set. So we need to check one condition, that if our cookie is present, then do not display this model, else display the model if cookie is not set. So let's go and write if condition. In if write document dot cookie dot index of, write the name of the cookie, that is model shown. So what basically index of will return, like it will return the position of the first occurrence, like if value is present, and if value is not present then it will return in -1 value. So I'll be checking if that is greater than 0 then do nothing, and if document like it's never cookies never set, then model open the model box and also set this cookie. So now let's go and refresh. You can see our model box is not opening as our cookie is already set. So if I like delete this cookie, remove all, clear all, and if I'll refresh, so now you can see our model box is opening as our cookie is not present. But if I'll now refresh here, our cookie will be set with one local host. Now just close the model and refresh again. So you can see model box is not opening as index is already present of our cookie. So let me just show you in one like incognito mode. So hit enter, and now you can see our model box is opening, and if I'll close and refresh again, so our model box is now not opening. So that's how you can use JavaScript cookies to open up your model box. All you have to do is just set one cookie and check one if condition if it's already present or not. So in this video I have shown you how to open a model box on like first time page load. So I hope you really like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.